Hello fellows and welcome. In today's video, you're going to learn how to create a Gmail account, specifically the business Gmail account. But the method you'll be learning today would enable you to create any kind of Gmail account you wish to. As a matter of fact, the business Gmail account is the harder Gmail account to create. So if you learn how to do this, you'll be able to create the personal use account easily. Whether you're a beginner or someone who just wants to add an extra Gmail account, this tutorial is for all experience levels. So pay close attention and don't skip any part of this video so you won't miss out on important information. As always, I'll try my best to be as fast as I can because time, they say, is precious. Enough talk, let's get into the discussion of the day. To create your Gmail account, the first thing you have to do is to come over to your Chrome browser. Now, the moment you come over to your Chrome browser, you want to click on this dotted icon at the top of your screen right there. And once you click on this, you want to click on Gmail, right? You want to select Gmail. Now, if I click on Gmail, this is going to lead me exactly to my Gmail account or to this very page. And this is showing me this very instruction right now because I have a Gmail account right here, okay? But if you do not have a Gmail account, you'll be instructed to create an account. Another thing you can do if you're doing this for the first time is to just look into your phone, right? Just go through the apps carefully and search for Gmail. In my case, this very app is in the Google section of my device, which you can see right here. If I click on this right now, you're going to see the Gmail right here. But if you do not see this Gmail, what you're meant to do is to come over to Play Store, right? Just click on Play Store if you're using an Android device, and once you click on Play Store right now, this is going to open up. Now the next thing you're meant to do is to click on the search bar right here. Just click on the search section and search for Gmail. Just type in the keyword Gmail right there and hit the search bar, and you're going to see this very email service right here. In my case, it says update, and that's because it's already on my device. But if your device does not have this, you would have to download it. But I strongly believe that you would find this in your device. Now, if your device have this, just simply click on it. Just click on Gmail right now and open that up. For first timers, you would have to click on the create account button. But if you're someone who just wants to add an extra account, what you have to do is to click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. Now once you click on that, the next place you're meant to click on is add another account. As you can see, this is the list of Gmail I have here, but I want to add an extra account. So what do? You go ahead and click on the add another account button you see right there. And the moment you click on this is going to lead you to this very page. Now this is also how you see this if you are creating your Gmail for the first time. So just go ahead and click on that Google option right there, and this is going to load up real quick and bring you to this very page. So we're back to this main page, making it look like you're creating this for the first time. Now what you're meant to do is to click on the create account button you see right there. Simply click on that and you'll be given two options, which is for my personal use or for my business. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be choosing for work or for my business, and that's because in this video I want to be teaching you how to create a business Gmail account. So this is going to bring you to this very page, right? And what you're meant to do right now is to type in your name. Type in your first name and last name. Okay, so I'm just going to type in Daniel right there and Patrick as last name. Then we'll go ahead and click on the next button you see right there. And the moment you click on next you're meant to do is to select your birth date, okay, or your birthday. Select the month, the day, and of course the year. Just type in the year right there, and then of course you select your gender and you click on next. Now this is going to bring you to this very page, which is where you type in the exact Gmail you want to use. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be typing in Dan Pat Crypto, and that is going to be my Gmail. You can contact me with this very Gmail if you want to discuss business, right? Please do not contact me asking me questions related to videos I create on my channel. This email is strictly for business. Please take note. Now the next you're meant to do is to enter your password. Okay, enter a secure password. Now what you're meant to do is to enter a password that has an uppercase, lowercase, a symbol, and a number. This would help secure your account. Once you're done, make sure you save this to your Google account. Okay, click on the save button that would pop up so that you don't have to type your password each time you want to access your email. By so doing, this also helps you autofill your password when you need it most. Okay, but make sure you pen this down because it is important you do so Emails are linked to a lot of stuff, and if you happen to lose an email, it becomes a real issue. So make sure you save that password and then go ahead and click on next. Now, the moment you click on next, this is going to lead you to the privacy and terms page. This is where you get to learn about Google's privacy and terms regarding their email or Gmail account. Now, once you're done reading this, you go ahead and click on the I agree button at the bottom of your screen. Now, once you click on I agree, this is going to load up right now and lead you to the home screen of your mobile device. Now, it's your duty to go back to Gmail and open up your Gmail account. If this is your first Gmail, of course, you're going to be automatically logged into the Gmail. But if this is not, you would get to see the Gmail at the bottom right here. In my case, this is the Gmail right here. Okay, so if I click on it right now, this is going to lead me to that very Gmail account I just created. If I refresh this right now, you can see it's totally empty, and that's it. We have successfully created our business Gmail account, as easy as ABC. As you can see right now, the primaries is empty, promotion is empty, and the socials is also empty. Now, let me share with you a beautiful tip about Gmail, which a lot of people don't know. If someone sends you a message and you discover the message is not in your inbox, the right place to go to is your spam folder. Okay, that's the place the email would likely be delivered to you. If you check your primary and promotion and you don't find that there, make sure you head to the spam folder, because that's the most likely place you get to find that very email. Now, if you want to check an email on all inboxes, let me say someone sent you an email, but you're not very sure on the particular email the person sent the email to, you can simply click that hamburger sign at the top left hand corner of your screen and click on all inboxes. Now, this is going to review all the emails that arrived in the inbox of all your emails, right? Giving you the option and flexibility to quickly locate that very email. This is one of the beauty of Gmail. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something. If you did, do it, leave a like, share this video so that it could get to a lot of people who are in need of it, and also subscribe so that you won't miss out on important updates I release on this channel from time to time. Like I said before, if you need to contact me or whatsoever, you can use this very email on your screen right now, which is danpatcrypto@gmail.com, and I'll respond to you as soon as I can. Again, this email should strictly be for business or any complaint whatsoever that you have. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.